Welcome, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So first we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And now if you have the same situation like in my case, if just you by press to the power key button you use the Google Assistant, you just can use two different ways. The first one is that just to press the power key button and the volume up button at the same time. So one more time, and now we can see here the power off menu. So just to turn off our device you should click the power off icon and turn it off. Okay, also how the second way how we can do that, just wait a second, I should switch on our device one more time just to show you that. Okay, so now our device is activated. Let's open it. And the second way how to turn off our smartphone is first we should launch the settings application, scroll down to the system section, then tap here to the gestures and click to assist gesture. Just here tap once on the switcher to turn off, to just unlink the assistant from power button. And now when we'll press for a couple of seconds the power key, we can see that the power off menu is activated, and by the same way we should just click here to power off icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.